as you can tell by now, we absolutely love to travel, and we especially love the water. We love photographing the water. It is just so, so beautiful. But one thing that we have come across is that sometimes when you photograph water and sky and sand, it can all kind of start to blend together.
This photo is beautiful. We're on the island of Aruba, and this is honestly one of my all-time favorites of us.
I
But
love this picture.
you can kind of see the sky is a little bit hazy. It almost matches the sand. The sand was just white, the most beautiful white sand. But I'd love to get that sky to pop a little bit more, differentiate itself from the water, from the sand. So we're going to go ahead and use the enhance tool here in Luminar AI to make that happen.
So we're going to take the accent up just a little bit, and as you can see, things are just starting to change. The colors are starting to pop, and the photo's just really starting to come alive. So that's just with accent. We haven't even touched the sky enhance yet, which is something that we want to highlight right now because I really like this tool. Our personal style, we don't want the sky to stand out too much because we don't want it to take away from either us in the photo or those that we're shooting. We mostly just want that to be a beautiful backdrop that just adds to the overall feeling of the photo. But I kind of want the sky to pop just a little bit in this photo, so even by just taking that up to 15, which I did over here, you can already see a huge difference that has made in this photo, and I really like that. These clouds start to come out a little bit more.
Yeah, I really like what you did. The clouds are much more visible. The sky really does look different than the water. Honestly, I felt like the sky looked like the sand at the beginning.
Yeah, and water and the sand, it just kind of all works.
It's all working now, and that was incredibly easy. The enhance tool knew kind of what we wanted before we even did it. Just with the sliders there, it's balancing everything and giving us a much, much better final product.